As a medical student, studying only 2 hours a day is very hard to cover all the content and get good grades. I will show you tips and tricks to reduce your studying time by a significant amount such that you will get a lot more done in a shorter amount of time. Proportional studying. Don't study what you already know because you will just be wasting time, or solidify what you don't know such that they become easier. A mistake I often see in people avoiding to revise harder topics because they not feel bothered or are too scared. Academic success comes from tackling your weakness with the time. You have to dedicate 20% of the time to the easy topics, 30% to the medium topics, and 50% to the harder topics. With this type of studying, you will get a lot more done than ever because most students seek to study only materials they feel comfortable, which then leads to wasting more time and taking forever to go all over the content needed. It will suck at first because you are stepping out of your comfort zone, but it is better to suffer now than regret later in the exam, knowing you could have answered that question if you only weren't lazy enough. Art of deep work. Deep work is the ability to work in an intense state of focus such that nothing distracts you. It is a skill that you must master, otherwise what could have taken you 1 or 2 hours of study will take you 4 and 5 working shallowly with your phone. Once you understand the concept of deep work, you will be a lot more efficient with your time and realize that you did indeed have enough time before you just wasted it. Pareto Principle. Random day, ask yourself what would you study if you literally had 2 hours available. Due to time constrictions, your mind will suggest you topics that you are not good at, and that's why those were chosen. Do this exercise every time you don't know what to study. The 2 hours concept is also important to filter the information that you will need to know. Your inner self will tell you what you know 100%. Time is all about efficiency, so plan out before and finish up your notes and lab reports months before the exam. Clean your room and have everything ready beforehand. All the people who tell you they study few hours a day have done the already tasks beforehand, and that's how they can jump straight into the studies without any hesitation. So this is for today. My name is Aksa and it's my job to help you with some study bites. Follow for more.